This is the new UMIDIGI One Max. Just receive it and just gonna open it. It came in almost 1 month. This is how it's looking. That's the box, and all the specifications: CPU, system Android 8.1, Oreo, memory 4 GB and 128, SIM 2 nano SIM cards, or 1 nano SIM card and 1 micro SD card, a big battery, 4150 mAh, screen 6.3 inch, HD plus, camera 12 megapixel plus 5 on the back, and on the front 16 megapixels. So this is the UMIDIGI One Max. Nice. It's coming with a thanks letter. Giveaway, enter to win. Alright, so this is the phone. It's coming with wireless charger. This is the back, is the carbon option, and it's coming also in probably this twilight color. Yeah, it's a big phone. So another nice small letter. It's got a pen in here, and the book, and USB charge here, fast charge should be, and the adapter. Okay, so this is the phone. It's looking nice. It's coming already in the case. Protective case. Touch on it. So this is the carbon model. It's looking very nice on the back. Fingerprint scanner. Probably the micro SD and the nano SIM card. USB plug here. Okay, we're just gonna turn on. So it's got 6.3 inch HD plus. We go quick through the settings. Nice to have the scanner not on the back, it's got on the edge. So improve locations. I don't want to quick start, connect, skip, and skip, continue, just a second, and name, let's put the name on, and the fingerprint, unlock with your fingerprint. So we'll see how it's working. Next. Next again. Next again. And touch the sensor, which is right here. I just close it. It's quite different than the rear back fingerprint sensor. I don't know which one I prefer more than the other. And yeah, this is UMIDIGI One Max. It's got all the apps already, settings. System, language, Face ID, security, locations, Google, DuraSpeed. DuraSpeed help boost the app. Okay, nice. Network, finish setup, finish One Max setup, start. Oh, it's coming back on. Another fingerprint. I don't want the battery, so it's coming with a big battery. 4,000 milliampere battery saver, standby, last full charge, 18 days, 9 hours and 29 minutes, no charging. Display 100%, network. Let's come back on the system again. About phone, wireless update, status, brand UMIDIGI One Max, 4GB 128 8.1 Android. The last Android security patch level was on 5 October, and probably we're gonna update it to the last one in a few minutes. So this is the UMIDIGI One Max, carbon back, and it's looking very nice. It's a cheap phone, but hope it's coming with what should be a flagship phone. So this is the camera. Let's take a pictures. Well, can be better. But for £150 phone, probably doesn't matter the camera. Probably you can hide the notch. So this is the UMIDIGI One Max.